In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a title to a subtask in Asana. This is a really simple but important skill because clear subtask titles make it much easier for you and your team to understand exactly what needs to be done. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Asana workspace. First, open your browser and log into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, you should see a section called My Tasks on the left-hand side. This is where all the tasks that are assigned to you are collected. Take a moment to scan through your list and find the specific task where you want to add a subtask title. Click on that task. When you do, a detailed view of the task will open in the center of your screen or on the right side, depending on your layout. This is often referred to as the task pop-up or task detail pane. In this view, you'll see information like the task name, description, assignee, due date, and any existing subtasks or comments. Now, look for the section labeled Subtasks. This is usually located a little further down in the task details. If there are already subtasks created, you'll see them listed here. If not, the area may look empty except for an option to add one. To create a new subtask and give it a title, click the Add Subtask option under that Subtasks section. As soon as you click it, a new editable line will appear. Your cursor should automatically be placed in this field, ready for you to type. Type in the title you want for your subtask. Try to make it clear and specific so that anyone viewing it immediately understands what needs to be done. For example, instead of writing email, you might write email client with project timeline update. Once you're happy with the title, press enter on your keyboard. When you hit enter, Asana will save that text as the subtask title and create the subtask under the main task. You can repeat this process to add as many subtasks as you need, each with its own clear title, and that's all there is to it. You've now added a title to a subtask in Asana, helping keep your work more organized and easier to manage.